Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add testimonial slider to your Wix website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, it should be in a simple Wix website, and when you're gonna be here, click here add, and then just click here on strip, and then you're gonna see testimonials. And now you have multiple options of testimonials that you can choose, like this one or this one, like it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to choose, like, I don't know, this one here. You can also, like, down below in the description, you're gonna have a link on our site that you can choose it and make like testimonials through that. So when you would click on the link in the description, you will get on the website called L site, and you can also create, let me show you, testimonials right here and testimonial slider, and you can create like testimonials like this, you know, and then you just add it with the code, and you just click save here and you take the code. So this is like the first option that you got, or you can add the code, like enter the code, apply. See, and this is the second way how you can do it. So two ways how you can add a code in Wix. So the first way is this, and you just change the image, or you can through the L-site app. And that's pretty much it, guys. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. You just change the text and everything, and also on mobile it looks good, you know. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.